So I am really interested in brow lamination. Originally, when the trend first started, I didn't care for it too much. But now that I'm seeing it a little bit more, I wanted to give it a try. So I have this brow laminating kit that we're gonna try out and see how it works out on my brows. My brows are very, very fine, but we're gonna see how it works. We have this brow laminating kit from Ariana. And in the kit, it looks like you receive a pamphlet about the product, the lift, the fix, and the nutrition, and also you get the brow laminating tools. I'm gonna go and I'm gonna read the instructions. Yes, I read instructions and see how these are supposed to be done. Let's start the brow lamination, shall we? So first what we're gonna do, what they say is clean your brow area. I'm gonna clean these off. And then it says to brush them. Gotta brush them upward. And now we're gonna apply the lift cream. They said 1 packet is good enough for both brows. So let's go ahead and get this applied. And this is to soften the brow. The brow hairs, it smells terrible. When I tell you, this reminds me of back in the 80s, going to the hair salon, getting a jerry curl, because that's what it smells like. This stuff smells not that great. Next, we apply the plastic. Saran wrap, what do you have? I didn't have any saran wrap, so I'm just using just some plastic here. The processing time for this is 6 minutes. So, be back in 6 minutes. I forgot to take the before and after photo, but you saw how it looked before. So we'll just let this process the 6 minutes that it's called for, and we'll come right back. Okay, we're back. It has been 5 minutes, a little over 5 minutes. So let's go ahead and remove and see what's happening underneath this plastic. It's looking okay. Let's get these brushed up a little bit more. I know they're sticking straight up. Looks good, huh? Now, the next step is we wipe this off with just a dry cotton ball. Oh, wow. Okay. They are standing up as they say they would. The next thing we're gonna do is put the fix on there. And the fix is supposed to be what keeps the lashes straight. So let's get this fix on. This doesn't have a scent like the other one did. The other one smelled like somebody was getting a jerry curl put on their head. It didn't smell good at all. Now, it does say that after the fix, you put the plastic back on for another 6 to 8 minutes. And one thing about the kit that you should probably note is that when you go and you purchase these, make sure you get the Pro kit. It comes in these packets, right? The other kit, it comes in little containers that you open and have to close. Air gets in it and it hardens the fix and the lift where you can't use it. I like these because these have like little packets, and once you finish them, you can just discard it and you don't have to worry about spending money and wasting product or your product hardening because it's been exposed to air. Just like a tip to use the Pro version and not the regular version. So let's put these back on. We are gonna go another 6 minutes. Holy crap. It's been 6 minutes and 45 seconds. Let's get this off. I was walking around the house, putting cookies in cookie jars and all kind of stuff, checking the mail, and lost track of time. So let's get these off. I can't believe I got lost track of time. So anyway, the next step, we're going to take another clean cotton ball and we're going to remove the fix. I think I like it. What do you guys think? Oh, all right. So that's how they're looking. Now we're going to put the conditioner on them, which is the nutrition. This is just to boost the hydration of the brow. Ooh. It's kind of like it's an oil or something, oil-based something or another. But guys, look. They are so cute. What do y'all think? How y'all feeling? How y'all feeling out there? Okay. So there it is. I am all done. I think I like them. What do you guys think? Oh my goodness, I really like them. I didn't think I would like them because sometimes when I see people that have their brows laminated, I guess their brows are so thick sometimes that it just looks really, really unnatural and like they're sticking straight up. It just looks different. But I think, oh my God, I really like them. I didn't think I would like them as much as I do, but I actually like them. And one thing I think I can still do, I'm going to wait a couple of days, but I think if I tint them, they'll look even better. What do you think? I mean, listen, I am super, super shocked. I'm surprised that I like them as much as I do. Oh, God, please tell me what you guys think about this lamination because I like it. And I like this kit. It's my first time using this kit and it's bomb. I highly recommend it. Like I said, make sure you get the Pro Series because the Pro Series gives you the individual packets where you won't waste any product. But I really like it. And it also gives you your aftercare as well. I am pleasantly surprised. I like them. Let me know what you guys think of these laminated brows. It was easy peasy. You apply the fix and then you're going with the second step, which is the fix, which holds the lamination of the brow. And that again gives you another 6 to 8 minutes depending on your hair type. And then you're going with the conditioner. If you do it in the time frame in which you're supposed to, it takes about 20 minutes, about 15 to 20 minutes to laminate your brows. And it's quite affordable. I am shocked. I'm ready to put on some makeup and go out and do something because people need to see these brows. So I'll holler at y'all on the next video. Toodles.